So, OVVOB, get into acronyms because we want to know what the acronym stands for. And I just want to explain once and for all, listen and listen carefully. I want to start that off by saying, please let us listen and listen carefully. OVVOB, colleague, stands for Education for Development. As called the OV, which we we are just education for development. And while we education for development, we are grounded in our vision, which is there ensuring that each and every child globally has access to equitable and quality education. It is therefore because of this vision that is also underscored by SDG goal number 4, which says children as rights holders, they have a right to quality and equitable education. What does that mean? It means as right holders, children globally, they have igunya, they have the right to hold us accountable, simply because we are the office bearers. Njengoba mangaye echazi ukuthi njengoba siyama office bearers ngowe constitution, kumele siyenze sure ukuthi abantwana bethu, especially in the context of South Africa, have access to quality education. The vision that we have as an organization, because we are a global organization, we work in different countries in all the continents. In South Africa, our work in particular is formalized in a form of memorandum of understanding. We are a strategic partner to the department. Our partners, if they call us a sponsor, but sponsor is secondary to the work that we do. We are a strategic partner to the Department of Basic Education at a national level, because we are also governed by this MOU. And also, at the provincial sphere, we also have a formalized working relationship through teacher development where there's a signed MOU. So, we are a strategic partner. We are a strategic technical partner to the Department of Education because we are having a shared vision. In Department of improved learner outcomes, right? And how do we get to that point? We need to make sure that we capacitate the middle tier so that the middle tier can capacitate teachers so that teachers will teach other relevant, very competent educators with requisite skills who are able to teach our children so that they survive in this VUCA world. The world that keeps on evolving, the world that is ambiguous, the world that is complex. So we need that type of a teacher, and that is why OVVOB as a strategic technical partner to the department, we sit down, we understand the vision, we understand the key priorities of the sector, of which in this instance it is the crisis in foundational literacy. And as a technical partner, what do? We then sit down, we co-create, we innovate, we collaborate with the department, and then we advise. And that is why we get to a blended continuing professional teacher development. It's an innovation. We are saying let teachers be exposed to online because the world is changing. You cannot keep on having teachers who are teaching using 50-year-old methods of delivering instruction in the classroom. This is the age, the AI and all of those things. We need teachers to keep up with such. And what we are also encouraging and pushing is that teachers, they need to bank on the collective, where they sit together with other teachers, where they identify a particular problem and focus on that problem and deal with that problem collaboratively. That's in a professional learning community. And we believe that if teachers can learn online and then go and expand what they've learned and learn from other educators, they will be able to improve their classroom practice.